Afternoon, everyone. How is everyone doing today? Thank you guys for tuning in into this session, um, where I'll be taking you guys through the Clarity Project Catalyst Fund 13 proposals and strategies. So Clarity has a really, brilliant stuff, right? They're building and trying to get funded with Project Catalyst. Clarity is actually well known in the Cardano ecosystem for building really comprehensive governance tool to facilitate community contribution and get projects and communities leverage their community, right, and let their community's voice be heard. So they have a couple of projects out there, so I'll just be taking you guys quickly through them, and I'll share the link to this Medium article down below, and I'll also share the link to each one of the proposals on Idea Skills. So let's begin. So what I'll be going through is how Clarity is driving adoption and building infrastructure for Cardano in collaboration with Project Catalyst. So Catalyst is the grant mechanism for funding this set of projects, right? So to progress, Clarity, actually, the Clarity Foundation, just a quick brush through, has a proven record in developing governance and community management infrastructure in Cardano, right? So the Clarity team comprises of experts in blockchain technology, web software development, and strategic planning. So three of the really important core guys in the Clarity platform that are responsible for this great infrastructure and the great platform that we know Clarity to be are Logan, Justin, and Matt. Some of us watching this video already know who they are. And for us who don't, I would also share a link to their Twitter handle, Twitter page, so you can reach out to them, tell them what you think about what they're doing and whatnot. So let's move forward. So the first project I'll be talking about today is the Clarity Plug and Play. The Clarity and Plug and Play, right? So these are two entities collaborating together to create an on-chain investment arm for Cardano ecosystem, for the Cardano ecosystem, right? If this is a quick brush through, because the proposal is a little bit too lengthy, right? So to talk about that, they are proposing creating an on-chain investment arm with Plug and Play Ventures to fund and grow promising Cardano projects, right? So many compromising Cardano projects, many promising Cardano projects lack the funding to realize their potential, right? So Clarity DAO proposes creating an on-chain investment arm in partnership with Plug and Play. And this groundbreaking initiative, right, aims to attract major venture capital into the Cardano ecosystem, fueling innovation and adoption like never before, right? So please, I would ask that you check the proposal and go through it. So, and tell them what you think, comment on it, and of course go vote for the proposal, right? Fund 13 is going on from now till 12th of this month, so it's really good stuff, right? It will be valuable for the Cardano ecosystem, so please go cast your votes, right, on each one of them. So the next one we'll be looking at is the Clarity Dev Toolkit. This is my favorite because I'm a software developer, and I like to see stuff like this being put out there, so guys like us, get to integrate, the tools provided for establishing governance on our platform, right? Instead of using the Clarity's user interface to provide those governance mechanisms, right? They have a dev toolkit that you can just integrate into whatever platform you have existing, or to your own interface. Yeah. So they aim to build a developer toolkit that enables Cardano projects to integrate governance, community engagement, and treasury management into their platform, right? So to supercharge Cardano projects, the Clarity DAO is developing a powerful developer kit for custom governance and community engagement. This toolkit offers APIs and software development kits that enables projects to integrate advanced on-chain treasury management and flexible governance directly into their platforms. So that's that. Really good stuff. So moving on to the next interesting stuff. So this is at the partners category in Catalyst, right? So this wouldn't pop up as a project to be voted on, but the rest are. There are about 6 projects in total, but you can vote for 5 of them, by just searching for the Clarity. The keyword is Clarity on the voting application, and you'll find all these beautiful, wonderful projects there. So please go cast your vote, right? So the Clarity Grand Slam track is bringing the track world into Cardano, right? So Clarity proposes a blockchain-based application on Cardano that allows Grand Slam tracks ecosystem to engage and activate its community, right? So the Grand Slam track ecosystem is to engage and activate its community using the Clarity platform, right? The Clarity DAO platform, right? So to talk a little bit more about that, the Clarity DAO organization plans to bring the electrifying world of track and field to Cardano by building a blockchain-based application for Grand Slam track featuring super athletes like Sydney Lohin and Fred Curley. Wow, that sounds really interesting. The app will revolutionize fan engagement with community hubs, exclusive content, and interactive governance features. So guys, go look it out, check it out. It's really good stuff. If you want to look into more details about this proposal, you can do so. I'll share the link to that below. Thank you very much. So next project would be another one of my favorite projects, the Clarity Vespr integration, which is iOS and Android app to lower the barrier to lower barrier to entry to interact with and create entities on Cardano. So they aim to create a user-friendly app that allows seamless creation and interaction with Cardano projects and DAOs. This would be huge, right, for the Cardano ecosystem, because it will seamlessly allow to seamlessly facilitate onboarding for new users, allow people to seamlessly, easily get into the Cardano ecosystem and interact with projects out there that do a lot of great stuff, right? So you're actually facilitating onboarding into Cardano. So this is huge, right? This is something really valuable for us, and to make Cardano accessible to all, Clarity DAO is launching a user-friendly mobile app that simplifies interaction with the ecosystem by integrating Vespr's non-custodial wallet. The app makes joining Cardano projects and DAOs as effortless as using any mainstream app, right? So there'll be a lot of abstraction to the technical stuff. I mean, who knows? We just need to wait and see, what it's about, how what that would look like. So progressing the Cardano Multisig platform by Mesh. the mesh guys. I actually know Jingles myself in person. The mesh team is really doing with some interesting things as well in Cardano, making it easier for people to learn how to build scalable applications in Cardano and whatnot, right? So the Clarity organization is collaborating with Mesh and Fluid Tokens, right, to deliver a Cardano multisig platform, right? So Mesh, Clarity DAO, and Fluid Tokens are uniting to create a groundbreaking multisig platform for Cardano. This collaboration will deliver an intuitive tool enabling groups and DAOs to participate in governance with ease. So that's what that's about. It's about creating intuitive tools like we've seen or we talked about in the Vespr project to enable groups and other DAOs to participate in governance with ease. So that's what this multisig platform does, right? To read more about that, and to understand what multisigs are for those of us who might be new to that term, please look into the proposal. I'll share the link to that below as well. Check that out. And next, MLabs and Claire Contract, right? MLabs and Claire Contract are building and developing an Agora dRep effect validator, right? Ooh, this looks really interesting. So they propose implementing validators that allow DAOs to vote on governance proposals permissionlessly and upgrade their GAT tokens to Plutus V3, right? So what that is about to make it simple is they are simply building validator contracts for those of us who are devs to allow DAOs easily participate in governance, as we are currently developing Cardano's core governance structure, on-chain governance structure, with 1694 and, drafting the new constitution. So this would help facilitate that, right? So people can easily vote or participate in voting by utilizing this validator script or create platforms that allow voters vote permissionlessly, right? And they'll be building these validators with Plutus V3. So really interesting stuff, right? So MLabs and Claire Contract, right, are unlocking new horizons for DAOs in Cardano by enhancing the Agora framework with innovative validators. DAOs will be able to directly participate in protocol level governance and leverage the latest V3 feature. So that's that, man. Ooh, really great stuff. All these projects are highly valuable, so in my opinion at least. So if you think this is really impactful, I would urge you to go cast your votes on the Claire Catalyst voting platform and help push this project to funding, right? So that's the goal eventually. So thank you for checking out, for listening, and also for checking out this Medium article, to get access to these proposals. And thank you for your support as well. The Clarity DAO thanks you guys for supporting them by voting. And that will be all for today. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.